Low fidelity prototypes are also known as wireframes. And as a product manager, I think it's very important that you know how to wireframe your product. I think it's very important you can simulate your product in a way that your customer can understand it when they see, even if just a sketch of what you're trying to do or just a non-colored design of it. And it's okay if it's not very colored and all the interactions are all there and all that. But basically you should be able to draw a wireframe of the product that you're trying to build. I'm going to show you what the wireframe for our case study is, and we're going to be calling it GetPerson. GetPerson is a website or basically a web app that connects menial job employers to menial job seekers. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. To design my wireframe, I used Whimsical. And there are so many tools today that you can use to design wireframes. You have Whimsical, you have Figma, you have Adobe XD. But Whimsical is my favorite product, and it's seamless because it already has some elements that you can use to basically build your wireframe as easily as possible. And I'm going to be showing you what my wireframe for GetPerson looks like. And in the next video, I'll be showing you how to actually use Whimsical to draw your own wireframe. So let's get started. Created a landing page. So what happens? People are looking for menial jobs. They can easily search for where can I get menial job, and they get a link to our website. But of course, you have to get a landing page. So this is where the landing page comes in. It basically shows you a view of what will happen, like what the website will look like, or more details here. If you notice, I didn't put more detail. I just put heading here, logo. Then there's an image here. But this is information I'm interested in putting across. Okay, this person, GetPerson, which is the name of our product. And you can see get menial jobs, connecting menial jobs to job seekers to employers. I can see that you can see a button saying, oh, get started, which is like your sign up. And then it takes you to this page where you can see username or phone number, password, and then you confirm password. What if you already have an account? So you can also sign in. Same form, except that you're not confirming password. They're just putting in your details to log in into the particular account. Now, there are two types of people. We have job seekers and we have job employers. So how exactly does this wireframe connect them? So I have a page that shows, okay, once you finish logging in, you basically get to a page that has job postings. You can see gardener, you can see waitress, you can see data entry, you can see a place to search for a job. So I simulated that, okay, I want people to be able to search for a job, and then I can see the details. You can also see that there's the location of the particular job here. See, this is Magodi, Lagos, one is Nairobi, Kenya, and all that. And if you notice, there's this place that is blank. And so it's just simulating that, oh, there are more jobs underneath this. And I didn't have to put all the details there. In as much as already, like, I've already pointed out what this is supposed to be for. So I have this place that is blank, and it's also simulating that, okay, this is another job entry. This is another job title that someone is looking for. You can see that. Okay, so now what if I'm a job seeker and I want to apply for this job? What happens? What if I want to see more details? So once you click on this, you get to this page where you can see job details. As you can see job title, babysitter, job description. There are blocks here. So this block is just representing text. Okay, this is where the job description will be. Qualification. This is what the qualification will be. This location. And this is how much that job is supposed to pay. What happens when you click on the apply button? It basically takes you to the application form, and then it puts your full name, your phone number, your qualifications. And if you have a CV, you can upload it. And remember that this is a menial job. CV is not necessarily very mandatory in this case. You just need to be qualified. You need to have experience. So this allows you to put in your details, your full name, phone number, for that. So I simulated that. So when I'm talking to a customer, the person can see what it will look like. It's no longer about me using word of mouth to tell them that, oh, this is what I'm trying to build. They can actually see a visual representation of what I'm trying to build. Then the last one is, what if as a person I'm looking for someone, I'm the job employer in this place. There's already a button on this same landing page where once you log in, the page that you land on, you can see post a job. Once you post a job, also a very simple form, post a job vacancy, the job title, job description, qualification needed, location, pay, and submit. So once that has happened, now what happens? I can go ahead and tell the customer and say that, oh, okay, once someone has posted a job vacancy, anybody that fills this application form, the details will be sent to the person's email that we've already collected when they signed up for this particular platform. So that's basically what a wireframe is about. The wireframe is just showing that, like I said, this is our MVP. This is our minimum viable product. This is what is in there for our product to work in the first version. Now I can keep building up on this product eventually to say, okay, I want to add more features and all that. But for now, I've been able to show my customers and I've been able to show you guys what that product will look like when I eventually build it, or a simulation of the experience that you'll be able to go through when you're using it. So why exactly do you build prototypes or wireframes? What does it do for you? What exactly do you do? Like, how do you test this particular prototype or wireframe with a user? Let's go to the next video.